Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all how to lose weight fast with roti. Yes, now we being Indians, we love roti and we definitely need it as a staple food in each and every meal of ours. So today I'll be sharing with you all how you can eat roti and still lose weight very efficiently with this diet plan. With the help of this diet plan, you'll be able to lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. This diet plan works great for each and everybody out there and is very effective for weight loss. Recently, my lots of clients lost huge amount of weight with this diet plan and eating roti as it was their favorite food. And here are some of the transformations that I'm sharing with you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena and begin your weight loss journey. So without any delay, let's get started with how to lose weight fast with roti and how to use roti for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Starting with the early morning drink, which is as usual one of the most important drinks of the day. In short, never skip it. For this, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first is methi neem leaf water. Now, why methi neem leaf water? Because it consists of lots and lots of diuretic properties in the morning itself, helps you to freshen up very quickly, and at the same time removes all the toxins from your body and your blood cells in the morning itself. Here is a recipe for methi neem water that you can check out. Approximately 1 glass of water. Let the water boil for at least 2 minutes and then add methi seeds to this. Now I'm using here 1 tablespoon of methi seeds. You can even use 1 teaspoon, that's your own choice. And along with this, I'll be adding fresh neem leaves. Yes, approximately 4 to 5 neem leaves work wonder. Yes, this water will definitely be a little bitter in taste, but the results are definitely worth it. So please go for it and let it boil for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Again, once done, you see the color of the water changing, just simply pour it up in a glass and have it sip by sip. Second option is jeera ajwain water. For all the people who are suffering from constipation or any kind of medical issues or bloating, water retention, please do have this water at least once a day to prevent you from any kind of water retention, bloating or heaviness in the body. Now let's proceed towards our breakfast, for which I'll be giving you 2 options. The first one is methi parantha with tea or coffee without any sugar. Now why methi parantha? Because it consists of lots of goodness properties of fiber, iron, calcium, potassium. So make sure to have it. Now the recipe for methi parantha is already up on my channel, and here is a complete recipe that you can check out. Have 1 methi parantha in the morning with tea or coffee in your breakfast. Do not fry the parantha over the pan. Always make sure to roast it on the pan, and then when it's on the plate, add 1 teaspoon of ghee over it and have it. Second option for breakfast is, for all the vegetarians out there, you can have veggie omelette prepared with 2 egg whites. Scrambled eggs you can have, that's by your own choice. But always use 2 egg whites in the breakfast for good amount of protein intake in the morning itself. Or people who are not vegetarians and cannot have eggs, they can always have my Indian pizza recipe. Now here is the complete recipe of my Indian pizza. Tastes amazing, yum and delicious in each and every manner for the breakfast. You'll love having it. Again, you can have it with tea or coffee as per your own preference, but without sugar. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack, for which I'll be giving you 1 option, that is, please have 1 cup of green tea with 1 fruit of your own choice, preferred seasonal fruit. Green tea helps to remove the water retention from your body, as well as it is high in antioxidant levels. So please make sure to have 1 cup of green tea in your mid-morning snack. Proceeding towards our lunch, and as usual, 1 hour before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. Helps to lower your blood sugar levels, also keeps your sugar levels on track, and as well as helps to remove toxins from your body very quickly. So adding 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water 1 hour before your lunch. Now let's proceed towards our lunch options. The first one is, of course, roti. But the key here is to how to prepare roti for weight loss. Now for this, instead of using wheat flour, we'll be using oats, bajra, jawar, ragi, jaw, whatever is available with you, millet flours. Add all of it to prepare your chapatis. Why do we always prefer to have multigrain roti instead of adding only wheat flour? Wheat flour does not give you that much amount of protein or nutrient intake as the other flours will. As oats gives you good fiber, bajra gives you good amount of calcium, jawar gives you good amount of magnesium, and ragi gives you good amount of iron. So make sure to always mix all of these together and then prepare your roti and chapati to get all the good nutrients. Mix all of these flours together in equal proportion and Prepare your chapatis with this and have it along with any seasonal sabzi prepared at your home, be it paneer bhurji or any kind of dal or curry or chicken curry, fish curry, mixed veg, whatever you like to have with it, have it, irrespective of any kind of restrictions. Each and every sabzi is equally important when it comes to your weight loss, so have it. You can also add 50 grams of wheat flour if you're not able to prepare a good chapati with the following flours. So you can always add 50% of wheat, that is gehu ka atta, and 50% of oats, jawar, bajra, ragi, mix of all these. And prepare 2 chapatis and have it for your lunch. And do not forget to have salad and curd along with it. It's very important when it comes to your weight loss to get good fiber and good probiotics as well. Now proceeding towards our mid-evening snack, which will be, you can have either tea or coffee as per your own preference, but always make sure to have it without sugar. It will not harm you in any manner. Or you can have 1 cup of green tea or 1 cup of matcha tea, and as you always know, 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. So always make sure to have either matcha tea or green tea at least 2 times a day. Along with that, you can have 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts as your mid-evening snack without fail to give you a good amount of brain health as well. Now let's proceed towards our dinner options, for which I'll be giving you very easy options and that are very easy to digest as well, because we need to see the weight loss happening as well. So you can have either soup. The recipes for my 2 best soups are already up on my channel, lemon coriander soup or tomato soup. Along with that, if you feel hungry, then you can always have 1 toast, multigrain bread toasted. You can have it along with that. And always prefer to sleep 3 hours post your dinner, and you will not feel hungry for the rest of your night. To make sure to do that. Here are the recipes for lemon coriander soup or tomato zucchini soup. You can check it out. The link is given in the description box below. And always make sure to have your bedtime drink, which is very important. Why? Because it helps to boost your metabolism for the entire night, keep you hydrated for the entire night, and also to remove toxins in the morning itself very quickly. So for bedtime drink, always have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. Helps to calm down your nerves of the entire day and to promote good weight loss as well. You can buy chamomile tea as the link is given in the description box below if you cannot find it online. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 3 to 4 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena and help you lose weight fast very quickly. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you in each and every manner. Follow me on Instagram to stay updated for all the upcoming weight loss recipes, client transformations, personalized diet plans, offers, and at the same point, what I eat in a day to lose weight fast. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.